you can see, I am at Lowe's again, and I got hooked up again with some black cow and some topsoil, my busted bags. I got them all for $1, so I brought some bags, and I also brought a few starters, and of course, you know, girl got to have some flowers. But the best thing is that I wasn't even looking for a black cow, and they got a shipment in, and all the bags came in busted off of the truck. So your girl was in the right place at the right time. So I'm so excited because now I have black cow bags all for me. Now, as you can see, putting them out, they fell on the ground, but that's okay. Miss Renee is gonna work it out. You know, I'm all about getting my stuff together. So I just want to make this quick video. If you guys are in Lowe's and you see that they have busted bags, they will bag them up for you. And it's only $1. Serious $1. So I'm going to get these loaded onto my car. And then I will come back later and show you everything that I purchased today. Alright, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you in a little while.